My name is Kieran Harrahill and I am a PhD candidate with University College Dublin, Teagasc, the Agriculture and Food Development Authority of Ireland, and BiOrbic, Ireland's National Bioeconomy Research Centre. My poster focuses on the first chapter of my PhD thesis, identifying core, peripheral and intermediary actors in the bioeconomy using social network analysis and Irish case study. A criticism of bioeconomy development internationally is that it has not been as inclusive as possible. Critically, it fails to consider farmers, the group in society who will be responsible for providing the biomass needed for bioeconomy development. The aim of my research study has been to map Ireland's existing bioeconomy social network in order to identify central and powerful actors, as well as groups who are marginalised. This study also aims to identify linkages or nodes between actors, which could act as potential points of access to the bioeconomy for groups who are marginalised. To evaluate the composition of Ireland's existing bioeconomy social network, this study uses social network analysis. Social network analysis examines how resources, goods, and information flow through particular configurations of social ties. Social network analysis can identify the centrality of each actor within the network, as well as their location and connections within the network. On the Irish Bioeconomy Foundation website, 250 groups were listed as forming the Irish Bioeconomy public-private network. In order to identify who've been the most influential groups within the development of the bioeconomy, this study evaluated official policy documents relating to the Irish bioeconomy to identify who's featured within these documents. 22 publications from Irish and European bodies dating from 2012 were evaluated. Software packages UCNet and NetDraw were used to calculate the centrality of each actor within the network, as well as visualize their location and their connectivity within the network. To the forefront of the Irish bioeconomy has been 2 government departments, a number of semi-state bodies ranging from funding for research, supports for Irish enterprise, and education and advisory services for agriculture and rural development. Academia and research institutes, both in terms of individual universities, but also collaborative efforts such as BiOrbic, have also been prevalent. The number of primary producers present within the bioeconomy social network currently is low. The Biorefinery Glass Project, which includes a farmer-owned dairy cooperative, represents the only example of a farmer-orientated entity present within the bioeconomy social network. Monaghan County Council was identified as an important broker. The connection of ties with research institutes such as BiOrbic and projects such as the Agri-Biocircular Economy Project can support the flow of knowledge and resources to businesses moving into the bioeconomy within the county, as well as novel bioeconomy developments taking place within the county. Given their position within the network and their role in agricultural advisory, Teagasc also has the potential to act as a broker for primary producers to enter the bioeconomy in greater numbers. The main results of my research study have found that the core of Ireland's bioeconomy includes government departments, semi-state bodies, and academia and research institutes. If certain groups do not feel as if they are a part of the development process, the development of the bioeconomy may be hindered. A means of ensuring that marginalised groups are facilitated in the bioeconomy is to identify intermediaries who can form connections with these marginalised groups so that they have access to the bioeconomy social network. The next stage of my research study will be to explore the views and experiences of farmers who have been involved in the bioeconomy, as well as the views and experiences of farmers who are in need of new income streams so the bioeconomy can support a just transition.